When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. The days are dull and gray all the time when you're away, and the nights are as long as they are dark. I keep checking the time like it will make the tellers move faster, but they don't care how long I stare. Things are still black and white in here. I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah. Colors flashing like paint splashing. It might be hard to believe, but that's what I feel. It's almost unreal each and every time.